3/4 by 5 by 5, 6 inches, depending on what you have inside and how high you're going to make the top. So she's got a little bit of flexibility there. What makes Denise so unique and functional is that she has 3 interior boxes. And those interior boxes act like a kind of a mini filing system for dies, stamps, card making supplies, because they keep everything straight up and down while you're working with it. So Denise was designed for die, stamps, and card making supplies. She works perfectly with our medium stamp pocket, right? So I've got dies in these pockets, and those are our medium stamp pockets. Stamps also in the medium stamp pocket. And even stamps that have acetate on both sides, you can just use this. So what you've got here is this little mini file, and then she also fits your 4x6 cards, card blanks, that type of thing. So she was designed as sort of a lightweight, portable, visual storage for card making supplies. But one of the things she also really works great for is marker storage. So if you're using Copic, Spectrum Noir, or Colorista, this is the perfect bag. I think I've even got some Sharpies there. When you're working with it, you can open the bag up and have access to all of your colors and all of your pens, quick and easy. And again, those little individual boxes are what keep your markers straight up and down. So even if you take several markers out, they still don't fall over. So super easy tool. And then for storing them, if you're using double-tipped markers and you want to store them flat, you just close up the bag and stand it up. You can also store it this way depending on the space that you've got. So the Denise Buddy bag, perfect for marker storage, dies, stamps, embossing folders, card making, anything that's 4x6 is going to fit perfectly into the Denise bag. And again, Denise is 8 by 5, and then she ranges from 5 to 6 inches depending on how tightly you cover the top.